Leaders cutting across party lines have extended support to the actions taken by the Cabinet Committee on Security against Pakistan following the Pahalgam terror attack. They also assured the government of full support in the fight against terrorism and possible action taken by it during the all-party meeting convened by the government at the Parliament House complex in New Delhi yesterday at around 6 p.m. in view of the Pahalgam terror attack. During the meeting, several opposition parties asked questions about the apparent failure of security protocols at Baisaran, Pahalgam under Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir. In response, the government reportedly said local authorities did not inform security agencies before opening the Baisaran area, which traditionally remains restricted until the Amarnath Yatra in June. Meanwhile, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, said that opposition has extended full support to the central government to take any action in response to the gruesome terror attack at Pahalgam.